am Jury Oxon, the Park Maintenance Foreman as well as the Deputy Protected Area Superintendent of DENR San Robilison. Sibalom Natural Park is a proclaimed protected area by virtue of Presidential Proclamation number 282 series of 2000, and it was also later legislated through Republic Act 11038, or otherwise known as the Expanded National Integrated Protected Area System Act of 2018. Here, makita naton ang recently declared as Rainbow River, wherein makita naton ang mga semi-precious stones or gemstones sa iba. Actually, this is now the front runner when it comes to ecotourism destination here in protected area, because lately it was declared as one of the writers of Rappler and also from GMA that the different kinds of gemstones is declared to be the Rainbow River. And other than Rainbow River nga makita sa Mauit and Tipulwan rivers, Sibalom Natural Park is a previous project of regular reforestation project way back 1949, and makita nyo sa palibot, it is now more than 50 years old ang iban nga mga species diri. We have also species of the pterocarps, and as you can see, we have the protected area ecotourism facilities that was built last 2018, and it was also added last 2019. However, the local government unit of Sibalom and the local communities always work hand in hand in pursuit for the continuous conservation, protection, and promotion of this protected area. When it comes to the species biodiversity, we have the so-called the big five of conservation and protection. We have the Raclesia spaciosa, declared as the biggest flower in the world, or one of the biggest flower in the world. We have also Amorphophallus. We have the tallest flower in the world, and the rest of the mammalian species and other reptiles nga makita naton nga ara na sa brink of extinction. We have the Visayan warty pig, we have the Visayan spotted deer, and we have also the Varanus mabitang, and we have different kinds of birds here. We have the Visayan taripik hornbill, we have the Walden's hornbill, amon ang aton nga mga flagship species when it comes, or when we speak of Sibalom Natural Park. Now, Sibalom Natural Park is considered to be, or envisioned to be, the center for ecotourism destination here in southern part of Antique. We are now accepting tourists and visitors from all other aspects na makandak sa nila study or even exposure trip diri sa aton nga protected area. And the local government, the DENR, the Protected Area Management Board are always working hand in hand to continue protecting and conserving the rest of the natural resources that can be found here. I am inviting everybody to visit our very beautiful place here, to commune with nature, to release your stress. Follow us on our social media accounts. We have Sibalom Natural Park Facebook page. We have sibalomnaturalpark@gmail.com if you have some queries and bookings and reservations.